Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to create a view in SQL Server. The concept of view in SQL Server is a view in SQL Server is a virtual table based on select query. It simplifies complex queries. It helps reuse logic and ensure consistency. View do not store data except indexed views. These are widely used for reporting, analytics, and ad hoc queries. The syntax of view is create view, view name as and query, select column name, column 1, column name 2 from table name. You can also use joins, conditions. Okay, now I'm going to create a view for you. Currently I have an existing table student. See here. I have written this case statement to get the progress of marks for the student and this function to get the age of student. If you need this query again and again, instead of writing this query, you can put this code in a view. See here. Create view, view name, like we can say student. This is the name of your view as, and this code is written in this view, and this is the table name. Now I'm going to execute the entire code. See here. See here, this command is executed successfully. Very simple way. You can see the view select star from v student. Okay, you can see the additional columns also. You can apply filter and you can see this in another query window. Select star from view. You want to see the record for student ID 1. Now this works like a table. See. If you want to see the age of student and want to apply the range 9, 10, age where actual age equal to 10. If you want to see the only records for the student which have progress marks, excellent. Progress of marks equal to excellent, here. Okay, you can apply any filter and you can also use this view in any join. Now let's check this in Object Explorer. Refresh. View. See here. And list of columns. You can also see it. Thank you for watching this video.